Hi you guys, so today I thought we would make something really fun. This is just a little fun thing to put in your journal, and I thought I would show you how I did it. So this is just a little clip. It's a paper clip and it's colored. So I picked out some colored paper clips and I had them in my stash already, and I added some fabric to it just to put something on my journal to make like a little piece of fabric stick out from my journal. I just thought it was really cute and really fun to have these little bits and bobs to put on your journal whenever you like. I have another sample of one on this journal right here. This is how it looks. It's just a little tie. It's really cute. I love how it turned out. And so today I thought we would make these and embellish them. So I'm going to go ahead and go over with you how I made them. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to get out just a paper clip. And then I'm going to take a piece of fabric. This is just a little scrap piece of fabric that I have. I'm going to go ahead and just make a little snip on it, just like that, and then tear it. I'd like to go ahead and put it through the bottom end of the paper clip. So the paper clip looks like this. I'd like to put it through this end right here so that I can still clip it onto the paper. And I know this is like a super simple thing to do. I'm going to go ahead and leave that one side long just for now so I can see how long I want it. Okay, and then we just tied it like with a loop over the paper clip like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just make another snip on this and tear that. Okay, here's how our little paper clip looks. I think I'll go ahead and trim this side a little shorter as well. And I'll trim off any threads that I don't want. And the next thing that I want to do is I was thinking it would be super fun to take our super easy little paper clip that is decorated with fabric and then add something to it. And I have this, it's like a little drill, and I got it off of Amazon. If you're interested to know anything about it, it comes with some, it's not very expensive, it's like a little hand drill. And it comes with some little bits over here. And I just put this smaller size bit in it. And what you can do is you can either use some little dangles that already have a little hook inside of them, or you can make your own. So they do have something like this that is at some of the big box stores. It has like a little face or a little strawberry or Hello Kitty or whatever on it, but it doesn't have any holes in it. And it's just like a little acrylic thing. All I've heard it called is acrylics. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do one of the Hello Kitties, I think. So I'll just show you what I had in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and set those to the side. And I'm going to get down a little, this is just a little cutting board that I had. And I'm going to use my little drill and just put it like right at the top of the acrylic where there's a spot. And I'm going to go ahead and twist through. And it's just starting to come through the bottom. See? And of course, if you have like a Dremel and you want to use that, I'm just using this. It's easy, it's fairly safe. So I'm just gonna clean off my little workspace. And I have that little hole through the top of Hello Kitty. And now what I want to do is I have just a little container that has a bunch of little jump rings and things in it. I'm going to use one of these. I think that should fit. And then I have like two little pairs of pliers. You could use whatever type of pliers that you have on hand. And there's like a little cut in the jump ring. And I'm going to just go ahead and open up my jump ring. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that through the Hello Kitty head. Maybe I need to open it a little bit more. Okay, just like that. And then you just grab the split ring and then you close it just like that. And then push it together as much as you can. Okay, so So that's what it looks like. So that is how you can make one with just this little acrylic piece if you don't have something that already has something to hang it with already. So now we're going to go ahead and take our little Hello Kitty, and I'm going to just go ahead and get out a light bulb stitch marker. And I'm going to use, I think I'll use a white one, and I'll put it on our little split ring. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this through our fabric and hang it off just like that. So you can do something like this to decorate it. And if you like, you can actually take a bell and add that to it as well. So if I want to grab one of my little tiny miniature like colored bells, maybe that one would be cute. I'm going to go ahead and open up my light bulb stitch marker and then put the little bell on there. And then you have something like that hanging off of your little paper clip fabric. I just love how that looks. It's so cute. It's really fun to hang off of your journal. It's fun to add little extra things. You can even take this and just attach it to a piece of fabric on the edge of a journal. So if your journal has like some lace on it, this one has some lace on it, you can go ahead and just clip it on to the lace. Just like that. And then you can stick your paper clip on if you want, separate, or you can put this little dangle on your paper clip. So anyway, I think that's super fun, super cute to add to a journal. All right, you guys, I hope you like it. Talk to you later. Bye.